In this video I'll show you how to install this bicycle light from Lidl. That's the package. It's the Crivit LED bike light set. So 2 lights. They last, the front lasts up to 9 hours and rear light up to 6 hours. So I don't know why they're not made to last the same time, because you use them together. So okay, they are on. These lights, they are on and they can be recharged. I have a USB-C cable here. So you see the light, it's charging now. Okay, this one is charging now. It's charging, they're actually full. And this one, this is the front light, it's really powerful, this one. It has an indicator and you can charge it. This one can also be charged, USB-C cable, but I think it doesn't really matter about the light. This video is about installing them. This video is about installing these lights on the bicycle and where you would normally put them. So yeah, you see it's charging. And you can't use it while it's charging. And yeah, when you install the bike lights, you will most likely have a mounting system like this one, where you have like a rubber mount, which is really holding on to the front of the bicycle. And yeah, don't forget to close this. And this light also, it has a detachable mount, so the light can be removed from the bicycle because it's of rain and everything. And this mount can stay on the bicycle without any problems. And you can take the actual light with you upstairs or in the house and you can charge it, then plug it back into the bicycle and it's working. For this light, the rear light doesn't have that, so it's kind of a permanent system, but at the same time it's not very difficult to remove it. It has this rubberized stuff. So I will mount them on the bicycle. It's a small bicycle, so nothing fancy there. I will try to make a small test, just a nearby wall, to see how powerful they are. But the front light especially, it's really powerful. I mean, you can really powerful. 70 lux. You can have 15, 30 or 70 lux. I don't know exactly what lux means for this, but 70 feels like a lot. It has multiple modes. This one is full power, and it has you see it has this line so you don't blind the cars in front of you when you're driving on the road, if you're hopefully not. But yeah. Okay, let's go to the bicycle and I will install them and show you how they look like on a small bicycle. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you get an idea of where you're supposed to install these bike lights on your bicycle. And on a large bicycle, they will be pretty much similar, but you can adjust them. You can make small adjustments to left, right, and especially up and down. So it's showing on the road where you need to see in front of you, but not too close, not too far. Yeah, so the lights, you can take them back inside the home and you can recharge them anytime you need to. The more battery, the better. Thanks for watching.